What do you mean? How much just came back right now? Jeez. I'm pooping. No, I wasn't pooping. I did eat a sandwich real quick though, and I went to go use the restroom. This is Mosaic Hobby 23. Free boxer. Good luck. I didn't have to poopy yet. Probably in like another hour or so, I probably will.
I thought you did go poopy.
No. Got top loaders right outside. Went to use the restroom and ate my sandwich real quick. Gotta fuel up. Gotta fuel up. Stephanie Plunkett, can you hurry up? Can I hurry up and what? I don't like Stephanie Plunkett if you're being rude about it.
Ethan.
Dude, I was gone for like 7 minutes. Rewind the video. I guarantee you it was like 7-8 minutes max.
I'm on with it.
Yeah, no. You
Want to display?
I lost 45. Not yet. Pretty soon. It'll be a lot longer than 7 minutes. Trust me.
Oh, the plumber.
Yeah. Call a plumber. Call him. Call a rotor. Chipotle does sound good, by the way.
It does.
Why am I so? Well, you guys can see him. This 4K camera working pretty good then, huh?
Oh, goodness.
Mrs. Hamill, do I have toilet paper showing on camera? Whoops, did I say that out loud?
Oh, boy.
Pretty soon. Not yet, though. Not yet. Well, when I came back and I walked past the kitchen, I was like, I better eat now real quick. Let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Good luck.
Good luck.
All right, what are we guessing? Let's see. Guess the first auto for 20 in Bless Bucks credits. Guess the first auto for 20, everybody. After this, guys, prime time slot. We're pretty much going to go right into... we got our Immaculate 69. Take that in the store, guys. Would take us a little bit of time to get that off. We got our Noir 2-boxer, which is very close. We got our Prism Hobby full case. Take you guys Prism Hobby with our bounty. I can't tell you the last time I ripped a Prism Hobby, ironically. So please take that in the store. If not, we'll put that up on the screen right afterwards. I got Optic Hobby Choice for you basketball guys. We can go dragon hunting. On that would be fun. Or we can hit Nebulas, either way.
Don't forget your guesses.
Yeah, we're guessing the first auto for 20.
That's a good guess.
After this, guys, too. 24 is the last break of this case. I will add 25, 26, 27, and 28. The next case of the 3-boxer. I'll add the next case in the store, guys. So if you want to take those, as soon as this break is over, I will be adding another case, 3-box case of Mosaic in the store. So if you guys want to take it in the 3-boxers, you guys can do that too. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everyone. All right, here we go. Box 1. Good luck, guys. Box 1. Bassey, Wiggins, Bones rookie. Scotty Barnes, Mosaic for the Raptors, and Huddy. Red of Randall. Embiid, Robinson, Earl, Dayron. There's Jalen Green for the Rockets. National Pride. Silver Scotty National Pride for the Raptors. Huddy. RJ. Starting 5, Lake Show. Suggs. Duarte. Clarkson. Reeves, rookie red. Lakers. Ballin. Ant-Man, Rising Stars. Primo, Trey Man. There's Cade for the Pistons. Silver of Garland. Red of Claxton. Nets. There's another Scotty for the Raptors. Book Knight, Davion, and Kai Jones. There's a Steph Mosaic for the Warriors. Red of OG, Maxey, and Westbrook. McBride, Garza, Şengün. Silver of Davion for the Kings. Eric Gordon. Io Johnson. There's Cade. I think we have gold.
Ooh.
I think.
I hope we do.
Hotel, OG red. Jalen Green, Mosaic introductions. We have not. No logo mans yet. It's in number 69. Take it. We had a very nice case on the last one, too. Very nice case. I think we have gold. Either that or it's a straight fire juking me out. Let's see. Oh, it's a gold auto.
No way.
It's a gold rookie auto. We've seen this story before. Good luck.
Good luck.
Oh, we got chance.
Be there.
We got chance. No more guesses. Gold rookie auto coming.
Come on.
Quentin Grimes gold. Damn it. The hair kind of looked like it too. Quentin Grimes gold rookie auto for the Knicks. And it goes to Mr. Big Dopes. 1 of 10 on the Grimes. Damn it, dude, I thought it was him all the way. I thought it was him all the way. Ah. All right. Refocus.
He always gets us.
Refocus. Hero, silver. Zaire, red. Lulu, overdrive. Kispert, Jalen Green, base rookie. Davion, rookie. Beasley, Bam Adebayo, red. There's Jalen Green moments, Mosaic. There's a True Cade. Cam Thomas, Kispert, Garuba. Blue to 99. DeRozan, silver. Cade to 99 for Purify. Nice. Nice box. Super nice box. 53 of 99 on a Cade. True blue. Nice box. Cursive.
They really do need to.
I know. All right, there we go. Box 2. Good luck. Box 2. Kemba. Davion. True red for the Kings. Wiley. I don't know if Wiley's still here. Wiley is still here. Thor. Butler. Cam Reddish. Silver for the Knicks. Rui, true red. Straight fire, it's the Claw, Kawhi Leonard. Zaire, Banton. Paul George, Mosaic. Is this a 1-of-1? One of one, Fred VanVleet for the Raptors. Honey! Freddie VanVleet, 1-of-1 for the Raptors. Damn, I thought that might have been Scotty for a second. I thought that might have been Scotty for a second. Nice hit still. We like Freddie VanVleet. I got a picture of that. We'll beat that for Huddy. Franz, Paul George, Aldama rookie, Suggs, Kuminga. This was the Raptors, yes. Where's my phone at? Freddie.
Interstate has a point.
What is Interstate saying? What is that? All right. Nice hit on a Freddie. Oh, really, Wolfson? All right, let's hit that stain then. Let's go. So far, been pretty nice over here. So far, it's been pretty nice. Silver Scotty Barr. Yep, it's a Raptors case. Heavy Huddy is not even watching this. I don't think Huddy's here. Second year LaMelo. Red. Trey Murphy. Greg Brown Mosaic. There's another Davion Red for the Kings. There's a Cade. James Harden Stairmasters. Bones. There's a Mobley. Silver of THT. Ben Simmons Red. Brandon Boston. There's another Scotty Barnes. Oh, he is here. What up, Huddy? Huddy, you're too quiet. You're too quiet, Huddy. Nice hit on the Freddy. I'll beat the Scotty Barneses with it too, or any significant Scotties like colors and vice versa. I'll beat it with that. Mosaic of Nasir Little. Baisley Blue to 99 Thunder. Davion. Auto. I was just going to ask, where's my auto? Of course, Joakim Noah for the Bulls. You get one every case. Take the Bulls. Chris Paul Silver. And speaking of the Bulls, it's I.O. for Interstate. Red. Shangoon Overdrive. Franz. There's another Scotty. This is getting ridiculous.
Wow, how many Scotties?
This is getting ridiculous. This is getting crazy. Rudy Gobert. Nasir Little Red. There's a Giddy moment. There's a Giddy. There's a Kuminga. Silver of Scary Terry. Garland Red for the Cavs. Trey Murphy and Josh Christopher's Howie N box 2. Huddy, what a break to get in, Huddy. What a break.
Yep.
That's Box Mojo. Yep. Here we go. Last Box Mojo. Let's see something. Take your 24s, guys. And they made the first down. Moody. Grimes. McBride rookie. Mosaic of Precious. Red of Steph Curry for the Warriors. Red and gold blooded with the Steph. Let's start right now, Red and gold. Let's go. Garza and Şengün. Ayo. Silver of Kristaps Blue Piston rookie. Oh, gosh. Luka Garza blue for the Pistons to 99. Purify. Steph Curry Swagger. Brunson. There's another Cade. There's a Franz rookie. Dwayne Wade Finals. Giannis Mosaic. D'Lo Red. AD Montage. Şengün Kispert. There's Jalen Green. Silver of Springer for the Sixers. Red of Kispert for the Wizards. Oh, there's Big Dopes. Yeah, let's go, buddy. I didn't know if you were still here neither. All the guys that were hitting for it quiet tonight.
Watching the game.
48 seconds. Is Cincy going to do it? Davion. There's another Cade. That was a true of Cade. Seth Curry. Compazzo Red. Trey Murphy and Christopher. Thor. Silver. Joker. Blue of Tim Hardaway to 99. Butler. Zaire. Banton rookie. Dwayne Wade MVP's Mosaic. There's Trey Mann red. Thunder. Last stack. Good luck. Excuse me while I catch the last seconds of the game too. I'm a little bit behind you guys. Do they convert on this third down? You have to. And he gets sacked. Aldama, Suggs, Kuminga. Our rookie autographs. I like the color. Bones rookie for the Nuggets. Matthew Lopez with the Bones rookie auto. Silver of Evan Mobley for the Cavaliers. Middleton, straight fire of Durantula. That kind of looks gold for some reason. It's not. Trey Murphy. Bones, Mobley. No, yeah, we hit a Kispert, LJ. We hit a Kispert. Jamal Murray, red. Halliburton. Suggs. Primo. D Rose, Bassie red. Cade introductions. That is the break. I think we had a red Kispert if I'm not mistaken. So don't feel like we didn't hit. All right, let's do it. Here is our base rookies. Wow. Here is your notable vets and colored vets. Here is our colored rookies. What's up, Sam? It's been good. Been very good. Here's a Kispert red for Jags. Jalen Green. Been very nice. Couple of nice cards today. Proud of it. Check this part out. Check this part out on this 3-boxer. And this 3-boxer sat for a good minute. Bones rookie auto. Yeah, that one is, yeah. Gold Quentin Grimes auto. Silver Scotty Barnes. 1/1 Freddie VanVleet. Raptors. K to 99 and another Scotty silver was how we ended that. That was nice. I'll beat these Scotties with the Freddie Van Vliet 1 of 1. So I'll beat those for sure. Thanks for joining.